Hello everybody, Steve here, and today I have another mini lock to show to you. So this is a hashtag mini lock Monday, and now we're zoomed in. You can kind of get a better look at this little guy. So this is this little lock. Obviously it is a little warded lock, and it says Hampton on the front, a little plastic guard around there, and it is a brass laminated padlock. And the bottom looks like that. It does say 25mm Taiwan on there, and on the key it does say made in Taiwan. So this, like I said, this is a little warded lock, and I still don't have a warded lock pick set, but I mean, even if I did, I don't think it would fit in this. This is a pretty small keyway here, and so I just have to kind of deal with what I have. So obviously it doesn't matter which way I have the key in. Either way, it still works. And so with these little warded locks, I'm just going to keep on doing what I've done with the other ones, and just pull out a quick little shore hook here. There's just a little hook pick, so nothing fancy. And I'll just go in here and just try to find the right spot. Hopefully I can find it really quick, and it's up here somewhere. Okay, come on. There, finally. There it goes. Ugh. That's all it takes. Just a little short hook, and all I had to do is just find the right spot. And after just playing around with it a little bit, it's not too hard to find. You can kind of see that anyway. Well, anyway, that's all I have for you today. Just a quick mini lock Monday on this little tiny padlock. Oh, I don't know if I said 25mm, and if I measure it, it's 25mm. Anyway, it's always nice to know. And I got a little fancy measuring tape, so it makes it easy to get that. Anyway, well, that's all I have for you today. Make sure that you leave a like and you are subscribed, and leave comments down below. And thank you everybody for watching, and have a wonderful day.